So imagine that you get paid for the video that you're watching at this very moment. Pretty cool, right? This is how much these guys earn with this method, and you can do the same thing. The same money lies out there. Just make sure to watch how exactly this method works so you don't lose your time. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So guys, this is gonna be it. This is swimbucks.com, and swimbucks.com paid me a lot of money recently, and my friends are also very satisfied with this website, and I wanted to share this with you because it is really profitable. You can end up making yourself like $1,000 per month, and that's great option for you if you want some side hustle, or if you want some allowance for yourself, or simply something to save aside or invest into something new. This website will get you there. As you can see, Swimbucks has professional support, it is secure and stable environment, it offers instant services and innovative ideas, and it's custom-oriented business and also DDoS protected, so you don't have to worry about any security at all. And as you can see, they have already paid out $18,000 guys to their users, and they have over 120,000 registered members over here, guys, so that's a pretty nice number. If we click here on proof of payments down here, we are then able to see that there are a lot of these payment options. As you can see, you can use Krill, you can use AirTM, you can use Perfect Money, you can use Payeer, and look at these guys. They are withdrawing $28, $23, $10, $23, $20. So there are a lot of people who are earning money on this website, guys. There are a lot of these pages as well, so you can see that this is a very legit website which pays to its users good money, guys. This is good money. I don't know about you, but $1,000 or even $500 per month by simply watching videos is good enough for me. Now here you can see that you can view ads in order to get money. You can click ads daily and get up to $0.03 per click. Now that's good money, but there are better options. There is this clicks grid, which is something like a casino game, if I can explain it like that, and you can win up to $1,000 directly into your account balance. Now that's like if you're lucky enough, but you should try it every day because who knows, you might get that 1,000 right away. And this is what we are here for. Watch videos. Watch YouTube videos and get paid for that. Now that's really sweet, guys. Imagine if we can just watch videos whole day and we just get paid. Now how cool would that be? I would do it every day for a whole day, trust me. And guys, really, there are some really interesting videos here. You won't get bored. I mean, a lot of them are these like gaming videos, some rockstar videos, and they are pretty interesting, and you can earn money while watching them. Now that's pretty cool, right? I do this every day for like 1 hour or 2 when I have some free time, and I use that free time to turn it into money. And that's it, guys. And that's what we're gonna do today as well. Now, there are some other options here like complete certain offers, and they've got affiliate system. I will share with you in the end, and I have bonus for you in the end, so stay close with me. And just for the start, we need to click on register button over here. Now, just enter your full name, your username, your password, email address, which has to be valid, and here you have to enter some information on how do you want to be paid. But of course, if you don't have account right now on any of these, you can just skip this step right now and you can later do it on your dashboard inside once you log in. Now you just have to validate your email address, go to your email and click on that link. And now, once you log in inside, you will get that email. You will verify your email address. And once you get inside, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. You can track different information here on how much you've earned money by now. Here you've got your referral section that I will explain a bit later. But we want to watch videos right now. So all you have to do now, guys, is click on this button over here, which is entitled Earn Money. Now, this drop-down menu summarizes the whole process here. You have a lot of these options. And now here, just click on this one, View Ads. And now you will simply watch these videos for 10 or 15 seconds, depends on how much they told you so. And that's it, guys. you're gonna be redirected to this website. Once you do that, you may be served with this commercial like it is now, but you can close it after 10 seconds as well. And there are a lot of these videos. There are so many videos here that you can watch this whole day and you won't get run out of options. And all these people are earning money the same way, guys. They either watch videos, they watch ads, they complete offers, or they do that clicks grid. Now, let me just show you clicks grid and how it works, guys. This is really simple. You just have to choose one of these boxes, click on it, for example, and you will be redirected to see an ad, and you have to stay on it for 10 seconds, and then you have a chance to win $5,000. Now, as you can see, you only have to wait until this goes to the right, all to the right, and that's it. As you can see, your click has been validated, but you were not a winner this time. You have 19 chances left for today. I highly suggest, guys, that you go and take all of these chances for your day, so you have 20 per day, because who knows, you might get $5,000 simply like that. And as you can see, this box is now closed. Now, if I click on the second one, I will be redirected once again. And now I only have to wait until this green bar fills to its right. And that's it. You see how simple this is, guys. You only have to be lucky. Let's see if I won this time. Well, I'm not a winner this time as well. I'm not that lucky, but you can be. But for me, guys, I like to watch videos. I mean, this is really, really simple, and everyone can do it. You can do it in your spare time, and who wouldn't watch like this cool video on GTA 5? This is like some mod which is super realistic, and it looks really good. So, I don't know, guys, you should go out and try this. I mean, watching these videos is pretty simple. It can be fun as well, and you can earn money on top of that. So I don't know what's stopping you. It's really like so crazy method to do, and it is profitable, and you can get yourself steady monthly income by simply doing this. And you need to start and take your time seriously, guys. I mean, if you don't start right now, you are gonna be left out. And I don't want that to happen to you guys, so go out there and take some action. It's pretty simple, really. And just look at this calculator over here. It says that you can earn $144 per month by simply viewing ads. And that's just one category which these guys offer to you. You also have all of these here, and you have referrals as well. You have offers over here. There are certain offers which you can complete and get money via that as well. You have some surveys here as well. So as you can see, really easy. But if you are as myself, I like to watch these videos. It's really cool. I like to watch these games videos, and you can choose sports videos, games videos, whatever you want. But I like these games videos, and if I can earn money while watching them, now why shouldn't I, right? Go out there and do it yourself, guys. I really mean it. And if all of these people can do it, you can do it as well. I mean, they're not better than you in any way, right? So go out there, take some action, guys. Follow this video, go visit Swimbucks and earn yourself some money. And I'll catch you guys later.